it's math time. We have a special week this week. It's a Super Mario Math Challenge week. I hope you love them as much as I do. So today is May 11th, 2020, and let's get started. All right, our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. All right, I'm excited for our first Mario problem of the day. It's a math challenge. Our learning target is I can use problem-solving strategies to solve the problems. All right, so you need to really think about what we're looking for here. There's a lot of data here, and we need to look at what they're actually asking us. And what they're actually asking us to solve is Mario plus Bowser plus Peach plus Toad. And that equals a mystery number. So we need to figure that out. So I'm going to pause it right now, and I hope that you pause it as well so you can figure this out. Have fun! All right, guys, I'm back. I hope you use this time to figure this problem out. It's a really fun one. Okay, so first I need this. This, of course, is what I'm looking for. We just talked about that. But first, what I need to do is look at the data I have available. So if I look, it says 36 equals Mario plus Peach plus Mario. So 2 Marios and a Peach is 36. Then I have Toad times Bowser equals 0. So I know that anything times 0 is 0, so either Toad or Bowser is going to be 0. We don't know which one yet. Next I have Mario divided by Toad is 2. So if I look here, I think that Toad can't be 0 because Mario divided by, if it was 0, it wouldn't equal 2. So I'm thinking the 0 is Bowser, but I'm just going to wait a little bit. I'm keeping that in the back of my mind though. Next, what I have is Mario equals Peach. So that means they are the same number. So if I take this information and I go back up to the top, I see that Mario plus Peach plus Mario equals 36. So that means 36 divided by 3 will equal each of our pieces here. So I know that 36 divided by 1, 2, 3 is 12. So this is what I like to do on these. I like to write on top of them so that I remember what each symbol stands for. So Mario is 12. So wherever I see a Mario or a Peach, I'm going to write a 12. So that tells me what they equal. It's just a nice handy way that everyone can see what our characters are worth here. So Mario and Peach are both 12. Okay, so now I'm going to take some other information and try to figure out more pieces, okay? So 12 divided by mystery number equals 2. I'm going to make a mountain here, my math triangles. I have to say I just love these. Okay, so I know 12 is at the top because that's the number we're dividing by. So 2 times something equals 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. So our friend Toad is a 6. Okay, so then 6 times what equals 0? 6 times what is 0? 0. Because anything times 0 is 0. So 6 times 0 is 0. So let me fill in our rest of the pieces. We know that Toad is 6 and Bowser is 0. So 12 plus 0 is 12. Plus 12, that's 24. Plus 6, 30. So our question mark is 30. So I hope you had a lot of fun solving today's problem of the day with our Mario characters. I'll see you tomorrow.